Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of canceling an account in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Begin by logging into your AWeber account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate your account name in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your account name to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on the option labeled My Account. This will take you to the account settings page where you can manage your account details. On the account settings page, look for a tab or section labeled Billing. Click on this to view your subscription plan and all associated billing information. This section will provide details about your current subscription, including payment history and renewal dates. Once you're in the billing section, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find options related to account management. At the bottom of the billing page, look for the option to cancel account or delete account. Depending on your needs, these options may vary slightly, so choose the one that best suits your intention. Click on the chosen option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or provide a reason for cancellation. Follow any additional prompts to complete the cancellation process. I hope you found this helpful. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.